Welcome to my channel. Types of conditionals. Zero conditional. First conditional. Second conditional. Third conditional. Mixed conditional. Conditional. Conditional is a type of sentence that is made up of an if clause condition and a main clause result. The sentence describes a situation that might happen or might have happened. The sentence usually starts with if or when. The if clause can be the first or second part of the sentence. Zero conditional. If plus present simple plus present simple refers to situations that are always true or possible. Example: if it rains, the ground gets wet. First conditional. If plus present simple plus future simple refers to a situation that is possible or realistic. Example: if I go to the shop, I will buy something. If I study hard, I will pass my exams. When can also be used instead of if. Second conditional. If plus past simple plus would plus verb base form refers to a situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. Third conditional. If plus past perfect plus would have plus past principle refers to a past situation that differs from reality. Example: if I had saved my money, I would have bought a car. Mixed. If plus second conditional third conditional. If plus third conditional second conditional. If plus past simple plus would have plus verb base form. If plus past perfect plus would have plus past principle. Example: if I had been born in the UK, I would speak English very well. Thanks for watching.